Hello my fellow YouTuber, welcome back. This is Marcelina at cashyourgreens.com. So today in this video is about GG plant propagation. But before we continue this video, if this is the first time you discover my gardening channel, consider to subscribe below. Also don't forget, click the bell for notification so you will first get notified when I upload new video. And if you want to see more videos on different plant propagation, just check the link I provided on top of the screen and see you in the next page. Zimiocolcas zamiphilia, which is commonly named for GG plant or Zanzibar gin. It is native to Africa and it belongs to a family Araceae. Now, GG plant is a tropical flowering plant and commonly grown for its beautiful green foliage like this one. They will produce flower. You will see the flower at the base of the plant. But so far, my plant here is not producing flower yet, and I have been patiently waiting for it. Come on now, when are you going to produce flower? It's already summer. You can propagate GG plant by leaves, by stem cuttings, and by division, and I'm going to show it to you guys on how to effectively and efficiently propagate the plants. And this will be a series of video clips, so I want you guys to watch the clips until to the end, because before the end of the video, I will also share it to you the simple tricks on how to root the cuttings faster. So grab a cup of coffee, relax, and enjoy. See you at closing.
Okay, y'all. I just want to know how come you haven't subscribed yet. I got over 30 dang videos out there, and I ain't getting enough subscriptions. How come y'all haven't subscribed yet?
Well, what's the purpose of all subscribing?
Because when you subscribe, you help out my channel, and also YouTube likes to send out more videos to everybody else as a recommended video. So, what do you think about that, Ma?
Yo, subscribe, yo.
That was pitiful, Ma.
plant propagation is fun and it can be addicting. This is the fun thing, guys. Look at that. I just propagated this Gigi plant. As you can see, it's already rooting. Now there is a simple trick that I'm going to share with you guys on how to propagate or how to root the Gigi plant faster. Now in the first week of propagation, you will see a sign of a dead tissue. So this bottom here will be mushy. So don't alarm yourself. What you need is just remove all those dead tissue. You remove the dead tissue on the outer side and also in the bottom. So you just clean this stem. Then you keep massaging it. You massage the outer side and also massage the bottom. So by doing it, you are stimulating the stem. Now in the second week of propagation, you will see hardening of the tissue. And you know when it is hardening because that is the callus, that is the sign that the stem is going to produce root. So like what you see here. So that is the simple trick. Now the second trick that you need is the clonix. Now I always mention this, guys, in all of my video to use and encourage you to use the clonix because I've been using clonix in all of my propagation, whether I propagate roses or propagate any kind of plants. So I depend 100% using the clonix. And if you want to have a successful rooting, so I would recommend to use the clonix. Now the other product that I'm going to share with you guys is the Myco Plus. Now when you root your cuttings, this is vulnerable for the transplant. You know, when you transplant this plant, it goes into shock. So what you need, use the Myco Plus. So this is the product that I would recommend you guys, the Clonix and then the Myco Plus. Now the Myco Plus is a beneficial fungus that will protect the root system of the plant because when you transfer them, the root system is still young and they are vulnerable to a new environment. By applying the Myco Plus, it will protect those roots. And also Myco Plus is a buffer against transplant shock. So majority of the plants, when you transfer them, they will go into shock. They're very stressed. So to avoid that, you need the Myco Plus. So again, Clonix, Myco Plus. Alright, so this is the end of our video, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. It takes a little bit longer, and if you have any questions or concerns, just comment below this video, or you can visit me at cashewgreens.com. Write comments down there. And if you want this product, I will link this on this video. Just click the link and get from there. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video, and see you next week. Bye bye.